Lobsters. Do you know what they like to eat better than anything else? Other lobsters. I'm Jawar the chef, and today I will show you how to steam your lobster. You can have just your regular old pan, put the little bowl in there, and then let the lobster rest on top. The first thing you need to do is put water in the bottom of your lobster pot. The next thing I would do, I would take a half a lemon and a cup of bay leaves for my seasoning. It's very important. You must cook your lobster, and your lobster must be alive when you cook it. Do not attempt to cook a dead lobster. If you do that, you can get very, very sick. Make sure, rule of safety, that your lobster is alive before you cook it. Now you turn on your heat. Now you let it come to a boil. My pot's steaming. Now I'm getting ready to put it in the pot, in the steamer, and you let it steam for 15 minutes. And that's all you have to do. Carefully removing the lid, you get steam. Careful with the steam, let the steam go down a little bit. Take your tongs and remove your lobster. It's a beautiful red color, nice and hot, and the most of all, it's ready to eat. Now, only thing you need now is some melted butter and someone to show you how to eat it. That's in the next video. I'm Jawar the chef, and that's how you steam your lobster. That's what I'm talking about.